I'm making this video demonstrate some of the troubles I've been having with WP Time Capsule. It works pretty good for backup and restore, but there's several instances where you need to use a bridge for restoring if your site's down or if your database is deleted or migrating to another host. Migrating to another host is where I run into the problem. In order to restore with a down website, you have to download their bridge, upload it to a folder on their website, access that folder, populate the database details, load a restore point, which you have to download from your backup account. In my case, it's Amazon S3, and then hit restore. Usually it breaks down for me right here in this area, and I'm just going to demonstrate today doing that. I've already downloaded from a web page here this meta file that I'll need later on. And right now I'm going to upload the bridge. All right. Now we're going to zip the bridge. And then here's the working page. We want to access that bridge. Here it's asking for the details for the local installation you have. This website's working, so I'm just going to hit load restore points. You can see the backups is loaded here. I guess I already had the meta file. We're going to say restore at this point. And boom, S3 account is not authorized. So that's one problem. At this point, you're kind of done too, because there's nothing you can do. Your bridge file that used to be here in the web root folder just deleted it on attempting to restore. So in order to try again, you would have to re-upload the bridge, which I continually get the same error. Okay, my site's still working. I'm going to attempt a different restore now. So we need to re-upload the bridge again. Already had it there. Unzip bridge. Back to the site. Access the bridge. Load the database. There's no restore points, so we're going to upload a meta file. I'm going to restore a different site now instead of this one. We'll try a different one that I downloaded from a different site. Showing that the address is different, and I have one restore point. I'm going to try this one. Restore site to this point. It looks like that one's working. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. The site's only about 75 megabytes. And you can see after all that, the site still does not work. And I want to attempt to restore the original database back to this one, as that one did not work. So we need to unzip the time capsule bridge again. bridge. Find the meta files. We're going to upload the meta file back for this site. Say it doesn't have the meta file. Maybe a caching problem there. I don't know. Try it again. Give it a second here. It looks like it's still doing something. Nope. So again, here how it looks. At this point, you would have to reinstall the whole web page, I assume. Try the other meta file just to see if it does anything. Yeah, it loads that one, but we'll restore this site. As you can see, there's numerous issues with this. It just simply does not, the bridge file does not work. I would highly advise you try it on a demo site before I tried it on my own, like I have. Thanks for watching.